the common but incorrect questions about slide design that I get asked. One of the most frequent but misguided questions I get asked in the field of slide design is: how many slides should we design for our presentation? Or how long should we spend on each slide during the presentation? The answer to this completely depends on you. It depends on the content you want to deliver to your audience. For instance, two people might each have 30 minutes for their presentations. One of them may design just 6 slides, while the other might use 30 slides. It all depends on your content and how you choose to break it down and present it to your audience. There's no fixed, precise number for how many slides you should create or how much time you should spend on each slide. It's entirely up to you. Avoid lingering on a slide for too long and try to use various media that the slides can offer to bring some variety to your presentation and keep your audience engaged. Stay happy, my dear friends!